Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Home Cooking with Dana. Today is the day 9 of 10 days of one pan recipes and we are going to make one pot creamy lasagna. If you like this recipe, give a thumbs up and subscribe.
Okay, let's get into this. We are going to prepare our veggies first. Our first ingredient is garlic. Mince them up finely. Next up, we are adding some sweetness and color with the carrot. I like to finely dice it up for this recipe. Our humble onion. We are going to dice it up finely to add depth of flavors and a bit of savory goodness to our dish. Here we have the celery. It's going to add a hint of earthiness to our dish. Chop it up nice and small. Now all the veggies are ready. Here I have all the other ingredients. I will go through them as we cook. Heat the skillet and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add minced up garlic. Next add onion and let them cook until they are really soft. Add 500 grams of chicken. You can also use beef or any other meat you like. Now for the seasoning, add salt and pepper. Give this a good mix. Keep mixing to break the mince into little pieces. Let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add carrot and celery and some Italian herbs for the seasoning. Add tomato sauce. I'm using 420 grams of whole cherry tomato sauce. Stir well and cover with the lid. Leave this for about 10 minutes on low heat until the chicken and veggies are cooked. Here we have our meat sauce bubbling away. Add some fresh basil leaves. Add smooth ricotta cheese for the creaminess. Now the fun part, let's prepare the lasagna sheets. Break them up and place them on the top. I am using 4 lasagna sheets here. We need some liquid to cook the lasagna seeds. For that, we are adding 2 cups of water. Cover the lid and let this cook for about 15 to 20 minutes on low heat. It's important to control the heat so we don't end up getting burnt meat on the bottom. Our final ingredient is mozzarella cheese. I am adding about 1 cup of cheese. Cover the lid for a couple of minutes to allow the cheese to melt. Our one pot lasagna is ready. This recipe is perfect for those busy weeknights when you crave comfort food without the hassle of multiple pots and pans. Enjoy and see you next time with my last one pot meal.